हमारे जितने सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनसे बोलेंगे आप लोग यहाँ पर रहिएगा। हमारे साथ ऑलरेडी जुड़े हुए हैं मिस्टर जिल्लुर रहमान बांग्लादेश से, जो जेनेटिक एक्वा कंसल्टेंसी ग्रुप के एमडी हैं और सीईओ भी हैं। साथ में वर्ल्ड फिश सेंटर बांग्लादेश के साथ वो बहुत लंबा काम किए हैं, काफी एक्सपर्टाइज नॉलेज है उनके। और गिफ्ट तिलापिया के हैचरी के बहुत सारे आप बोल सकते हैं काफी बांग्लादेश के एक्सपर्ट हैं। बहुत सारे बड़ा बड़ा गिफ्ट तिलापिया हैचरी के वो अभी कंसल्टेंट्स हैं। वो आज आपके बीच में थोड़ा सा समय, सर मैं देख रहा हूँ शायद ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, वही बीच में सर को हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे थोड़ा सा समय लेके हम लोग को कैसे कैटफिश पालन में, कैसे ब्रूट स्टॉक मैनेजमेंट और नर्सरी पॉन्ड मैनेजमेंट जो दो इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा फोकस करने के लिए सर से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे। सर थोड़ा सा हिंदी और बंगाली मिक्स करके बोले। जिन लोग को थोड़ा सा समझने में दिक्कत है हम आपको हिंदी में ट्राई करेंगे ट्रांसलेट करने के लिए। हम जिल्लुर सर से बोलेंगे थोड़ा सा समय सर आप थोड़ा सा लेके चलने के लिए। आप जब रेडी हो जाएंगे हमें बोल सकते हैं, हम उस ढंग से सर सेशन आपको सर हैंड ओवर कर सकते हैं। जिल्लुर सर आपके माइक्रोफोन अनम्यूट है, म्यूट है, सो थोड़ा सा अनम्यूट करवा लीजिए सर प्लीज। शायद आवाज नहीं आ रहा है सर, प्लीज एक बार देखता हूं। सर आपके माइक्रोफोन अनम्यूट करिए सर, माइक। हाँ सर, यस प्लीज।
You can, yeah.
Yes sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah sir, you are audible.
Maybe it will take 1 or 2 minutes. I will just park my car.
Just interact with the clients, our participants.
After lockdown, many days, just yesterday lockdown stopped. Very busy. I already talked with you that I am on the field now still. And another issue, my mother-in-law is also sick, hospitalized for COVID.
Okay,
so
okay sir.
All together, and you just informed yesterday for presentation, but I cannot present any presentation. I can share.
Yes sir, actually we need your practical experience. So how the farmers in Bangladesh, they are managing their ponds, or maybe how they take care of the brood stock. If you just address on that aspects, our participants will get benefit the knowledge of your side, sir.
Yeah, just I will stop my car in some place within 1 or 2 minutes. Then I will.
Okay sir, please.
There is a station, pump station I got, so I'll stop here. Yeah.
आप लोग में जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स जन हैं, आपसे विनती है, हमारे ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम के कोई पार्टिकुलर शेड्यूल नहीं है, ठीक है। बहुत लोग शायद आप लोग लिख रहे हैं कौन सा टाइम में क्लास होगा, क्या है। कल हम लोग 4 बजे से बेसिकली प्रैक्टिकल सेशन चालू करेंगे। कल सुबह वाला कोई क्लास नहीं है, 4 बजे हमारे इंजेक्शन है। नेक्स्ट दिन संडे में सुबह फिर सिंगी के इंजेक्शन है। कल 4 बजे हमारा मागुर के इंजेक्शन है। उसके बाद सिंगी के स्ट्रिपिंग है, मागुर के स्ट्रिपिंग है। कल संडे में पूरा दिन आपको हम लोग वाटर क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, लार्वा रियरिंग टैंक, उसके ऊपर डायरेक्ट फार्मर्स फील्ड से बोलेंगे। और संडे में हमारे एक फ्रेंड बांग्लादेश से भी जुड़ेंगे, जो डायरेक्ट आपको बांग्लादेश से जो फार्मर्स कैसे हैचरी में सिंगी, मागुर, पाबदा, टेंगरा उसका कल्टीवेशन करते हैं, वहां से उसका लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन संडे में दिखाएंगे। तो संडे का सेशन काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। कल शाम में 4 बजे से हमारे बेसिकली स्ट्रिप इंजेक्शंस हैं मागुर के। नेक्स्ट दिन संडे सुबह हमारा सिंगी वाले हैं। उसके बाद जैसे जैसे होगा हम आपको अपडेट देते रहेंगे। हम अभी सेशन शेयरिंग डायरेक्टर जेनेटिक एक्वा बांग्लादेश सर बेसिकली गिफ्ट तिलापिया के एक्सपर्ट के साथ साथ फार्म मैनेजमेंट की एक्सपर्ट भी हैं। बांग्लादेश में बहुत सारे बड़ा बड़ा कंपनी में जहां पर फिश ब्रीडिंग और हैचरी के ऊपर काम होते हैं, उनके सर कंसल्टेंट हैं के जो प्रैक्टिकल है लाने के लिए। सर प्लीज।
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, please. Audible, sir. Please.
So I'm ready now. I can deliver
Yes.
my speech. So regarding brood development in any fish like catfish, even tilapia or carfish, or even shrimp rod, brood management is very important part for hatchery operation. In our country and also Indian subcontinent, there are many small hatcheries who have no good quality broodstock, but they produce somehow fry or spawn or fingerling. That's why the government uh, uh, in Bangladesh as well as I do not know in India, there is a hatchery law already established in Bangladesh for registration from Department of Fisheries. There is a law for hatchery operation where everything mentioned about the hatchery management, including brood management, brood sourcing, brood management, and everything, as well as hatchery construction design, everything mentioned. So we are practicing the government law all over the hatcheries in Bangladesh. If we consider the hatchery status in Bangladesh, near about 800 plus carp hatcheries, 400 near about 400 tilapia hatcheries, and 300 plus catfish hatcheries, especially in Mymensingh region. Major catfish fishes included Shiingi, Magur, Pabda, Gulsha, Tangra, and Pangas also. These are the major catfish species we hatch in our hatcheries. Regarding broodstock development, broodstock management, brood sourcing is a very important part. Maybe ready brood from Department of Fisheries. There is some brood bank project in Bangladesh under the Department of Fisheries. They produce brood and privately supply brood for the hatchery owner. But there is limitation. All species brood is not available. Like some Indian major Katla, Rohu, and uh, Katla, Rohu, and Mrigal broodstock only available. Brad catfish broodstock from Department of Government support is not available still now. But somehow there is a last 5-6 years there is a great revolution of catfish farming in Bangladesh, and the all seeds are providing from private hatcheries, and they are managing the hatchery, um, collecting brood or developing brood there by their own management. In case of Shing, Magur, Pabda, Gulsha, Tangra, they collect brood sometime from the natural sources, sometime uh, they develop broodstock from their own own culture pond. But still, it is not up to the mark. That's why, in some cases, farmers are not getting good result, especially seeing and Magur. There, Magur also there is another problem in Bangladesh. Many years ago, we introduced Magur from African strain as well as our local strain. But we already developed another strain. This is mixed strain from uh, African and also local strain. So there is no, still problem of pure Magu strain. So and another Shing also this is 100% local strain. There is no broodstock yet imported from other countries. And another, if we consider in Pangasius, there is two sources, and one from Thailand, Thai Pangas. This is red flesh. Another from Vietnam, male fish of Pangas take many times 3 or 4 years for ready. They already mixed the Pangas, Thai Pangas and Vietnam Pangas. So there is still problem of pure stain of Pangas fishes. Strain from Thailand. So this is also problem. So pure Vietnamese or Thai Pangas and pure Vietnamese Thai koi and Thai Vietnamese koi, uh, no pure stain it still available. But there are some hatcheries who import brood every few years later. They can manage sometime pure stain. So purity of broodstock is very important. We cannot mix one stain to another stain. So uh, purity is very important. Another, for broodstock development, it may be developed from own farm. If you want to develop in your own farm, it is very important to select the fry or fingerling in the nursery stage. Suppose if you collect fry or fingerling or from the natural source, maybe two or three natural source, then you can rear it for future brood development. And if you do not have the scope, you can collect the broodstock from any reputed organization, or it is very uh, uh, important if you collect from the government sources. Then you can, or and if you cannot collect from the natural source or government source, you can develop brood from your own way. It may be possible. You can exchange matured brood or uh, spawn or fry from different areas hatcheries. Suppose in north area we can produce fry fingerling from any species, catfish species. We can collect from any distance area fry fingerling. Then we can rear 2, 3, or 4 pond separately. So after getting the matured fish, we can select from 4 pond. Suppose from every pond 50 pairs. So from 4 pond we can select 200 pair male and female. Then we can randomly cross from each source pond or each source rootstock. Then we can select. We can hatch every individual breed, and it is if we can rear individually in each pair in 1 pound or 1/2, then we can take 50, 100 fry fingerling from each pair. Then maybe 20, 30,000 brood fry fingerling may be collected from different pair or family. So it will be um, mm, good brood stock. So there is three way we can develop brood stock. One is from reputed government sources directly, they normally produce brood. Another from natural sources where naturally produce brood from the natural sources. Another also possible to collect or import brood from outside countries. And maybe four way. And another we can exchange from one hatchery to another hatchery sources fry fingerling and develop a brood. So after developing, when the fish is matured, then so many years you have to hatch individual or minimum 10 families from each sources, and then 10 family or 20 family then rear in individual pond, nursing pond. There will be maybe 4 or 5 nursing pond, and finally from all the sources fry fingerling or brood fish, then make a good brood stock. This is important, sourcing of brood stock. After sourcing of brood stock, you have to exchange brood every 2 or 3 years. This is also important. You cannot use brood stock every year. If we use every year the brood stock, then maybe induce breeding problem. And every year, if we collect brood from offspring, then maybe growth performance will be decreased, as well as inbreeding will be occurred. There is many genetical diseases, genetical problem will be happen. So if we want to make a good hatchery, we have to first collect good brood stock from good sources. And after developing brood stock, and when it is breeding, then also you have to select. Suppose you have 5,000 brood stock one for one species, then you cannot make all the male female breed. You have to finally then you have to select also. In that case, finally you have to consider two things. One is age. For every species, there is a age limitation for breeding maturity. Suppose for Shingi, for Pabda, for uh, Pangasius, for every individual species, for the maturity of brood, they take many different years, and also in same species, male female sometime uh, take different in time for maturity. Another issue is male female is matured regarding age, but it still not matured up to the optimum weight. There is a standard weight also. Standard weight for male, standard weight for female. You have to consider also this thing. One for female weight, minimum weight, age is matured, but still weight is not up to the mark. Then you will be undersized. And when you breed also, you should consider hatching but breeding for individual species same size of female, especially female, maybe not male. Maybe same size means regarding weight. Suppose if you consider 100-gram female for Shingi, then all female in a base should be 100 or 5%, same more or less. Suppose 90 gram or 95 gram or 105 gram. Same age should female should be hatched in every batch. Then the egg size, then the fry size, spawn size, when they culture in the farm. they got more or less same result. For catfishes, there is a problem, not uniform growth of male female. In catfish, seeing female is very much growth, male is not growth at the same time. So in some many countries they are using hormone for monosex like tilapia. In our country, still we do not develop uh, monosex for shing or koi fish, but tilapia we are using hormone for monosexing. So for shing and pabda, in Thailand they use hormone for convert male to female like monosex. So in future we can also use develop this technology um, for good performance of growth in the farming level. Uh, these are the major points should consider uh, for brood development, especially sourcing. And during the hatchery operation, hatchery running time, you have to exchange after 2 years brood uh, should exchange, discard the brood regular basis. Just and like every year, 25-30% brood should be discarded for overaged, like overaged fish or some deform or maybe by color or growth performance. We should discard 30% brood every year. So these are the major consideration we should uh, consider to make a quality hatchery for broodstock development uh, mm, for catfish. Uh, I don't know. Yeah, in case of strain, tilapia different strain. Shing also, magor also different strain. Sometimes we cross one strain to another strain to develop the growth performance or fecundity or like that. So we should not mix different strain within the species, especially. This will ultimately hamper the existence of the strain in future. If I think this is the major consideration to establish a new hatchery, also to make an ideal hatchery. Brood is an important part. If you develop by considering these points for a brood development, ultimately farmer will get good quality of fry or spawn from your hatchery, and ultimately if you make a good reputation regularly, farmer demand will be increased from your hatchery. So hatchery brood development, brood management, and is the important part. I think we should consider. Dada?
Okay, sir. You have shared some good experience of your observation, what you are doing. I think I have two questions for you. Then I will take the questions from the participants. First
Yeah, yeah.
question is: most of the time we have observed people say that in India we do lots of catfish management policies, but while in consideration of getting seeds, we are not getting the good quantity of the seeds. What kind of broodstock feed management procedures is followed in Bangladesh? If you just address little bit on that direction, sir.
I already mentioned that we have Department of Fisheries a brood bank project where they provide broodstock, especially carp, not catfish brood.
Okay.
Some hatchery in Bangladesh, there is large hatchery. They imported brood from Vietnam, especially Pangasius, and also Thailand. But Pabja, Gulcha, Shing, Magor, this is our native source. They collect from our local sources. Some, in the local bill or
Bills.
river.
Okay.
there is a good source. Some good hatchery, they normally do practice collect brood from natural sources, and sometimes Bangladesh Fisheries Research Institute BFRI, they sometimes provide good quality broodstock, especially Papda, Gulsha, Shing. They will
What
collect
kind of
from.
feed they use, sir?
They develop, if we can develop any strain, any species brood, but it may be from natural source. They collect fry, fingerling, like that, and then make family. Suppose you can make 200 family. From
Okay.
two sources, you collect uh, some spawn or fry, then rear in two different pond. From one source, you can collect male, one source, you can female. Then you can choose the better male, female, and you have to male individually. Like from one source, you can get one male, from another source, one female. Then minimum you have to hatch at a time 200 breed, 200 pair. Then you can mix all the spawn, maybe, or you can take 100 pair from one source, 100 pair from another source. Then you can not, it will be at a time, not in different batch. Then you mix all the spawn and hatch and rear in a one pond, rear another pond. And after 1 or 2 months, you can select the better fingerling, fast growing. And after selecting from two source, then you can also um, this is one kind of root development process. You can make, if you can make, it will take some time as well as extra effort, extra bond. And then, but if you can practice this, that if you cannot do this, you can just collect from wild, or you can exchange your um, broodstock from with another male female. Just exchange, maybe not within the same area. You can exchange male female from different region, that may be and after exchanging, we have to select also finally for every breeding type. And after using 2 or 3 years, you have to discard 20-30% brood every year. Maybe it overage, or it is be sometime after hatching breeding, there will be weak or something like that. So this is the common phenomena to develop broodstock. Some hatchery already practicing, but some region in there is a hatchery in every backyard. They do not practice. They just hatch, just produce.
Okay. 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 Um, my second question is, for maturity, there is any role of any kind of feed supplement to be added for the brood stock? Say any
No,
kind
no,
of
no.
vitamin, minerals, or we have to only just give normal feed, whatever is commercially available, the market, the feeds.
For the maturity, you have to make mature in as usual way, not pushing anything.
Okay.
But for the brood development, there is a nursing stage, secondary fingerling. You have to make fingerling to yearling, and then finally you have to make brood. And we can do one thing before breeding time, just 2 or 3 months before. We have to make the pond prepared very good way, the pond. And another is, you have to stock male female ratio. And another is, this is the very important, if you do not stock the biomass, maintain the biomass, male female ratio, just 2:1 male female. And biomass, suppose per decimal you stock 50 kg broodstock, this is not good. You have to stock 20 to 25 kgs broodstock. Then the all brood will be hatched ready in peak time. But if it is stocked very over density, maybe over density by number and weight, that will be very hazard for the breeding, and you will not get good result. The suppose if you stock 25 kg, you will get same egg. If you get 50 kg, you will get same egg. So why will stock much wide feed per area, and when it is stress condition, the quality will not good, male female. So this is also important issue.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir. We have received a few questions from Mr. Ongam. The first question is how to identify the fish, whether it is an indigenous or a mixed strain for Singi and Magur.
No, when you collect fish from natural sources, they will take feed, commercial feed, not up to the mark initially. And when it is culture feed, they are ready to use, ready to take feed. Especially, they are domesticated. So for brood development, you have to collect brood from wild source. This is good, but ultimately, within short time, they will be domesticated.
Yeah. Second question, maybe he asked that question. Maybe I will just answer. Second question is: do we need to go for genetic examination, or is there any characteristic that we can identify through simple visualizations? For this question, already Mr. Jillur Rahman sir already addressed. You have to come up with a generation kind of spawning. So you should have different broodstock. Gradually, you make one a brood bank. So once you make your brood bank, you can do generation upgradation among with the brood bank, among them breeding, okay, themselves. So by this, it will not be considered as a inbreeding unless and until you just go with one generation, keep on breeding. But once you identify for 10 family groups, say example, I collect मैं फिश लिया यूपी से, मैं फिश लिया बिहार से, मैं फिश लिया असम से, मैं फिश लिया त्रिपुरा से, मैं फिश लिया बंगाल से, मैं फिश लाया कर्नाटका से, मैं फिश लाया महाराष्ट्र से. इस ढंग से जब आप बहुत सारे एरिया के सिंगी मागुर को आपको आपके लोकल एरिया में लाके एक एक तालाब में उसको अलग ढंग से पालना चालू करेंगे, उसको अच्छा मैच्योरिटी लाएंगे, उनके बीच में जब आप ब्रीडिंग करेंगे, वही आपका कहा जाएगा सिलेक्टिव ब्रीडिंग. उसके माध्यम से हमारे जितने सारे जेनरेशन के बच्चा बनेंगे, उस बच्चा में हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेवल में भी बहुत सारे जेनरेशन डेवलप कर सकते हैं, जैसे तिलापिया में हुआ है, गिफ्ट तिलापिया में. तो इस ढंग से हम लोग इसको फोकस कर सकते हैं. थर्ड क्वेश्चन जो है, is it possible to identify indigenous magur fish during early stage? I think for this question is very tough to answer, because early stage we can't identify this is indigenous or this is a hybrid. But after period of a time of 30 days to 40 days of fingerling stage, they start showing their behavior. It is a hybrid or the indigenous, or it needs to be weaning process, or it need to be understand that based on their head mark, different barbell counts and all kind of their body structure. And fourth question is, how much is the cost of fingerling magur per piece? Today in West Bengal, per piece fingerling of magur cost is more than 4 rupees, Indian rupees, 4 rupees. In Bangladesh, I think around 2 to 2.5 Bangladeshi taka.
2 rupees.
So that's what, because today whatever seed we are getting from Bangladesh. Okay, we have to understand it. And whatever seed we are producing in India, that cost is 5 rupees. Okay. So that's what we have to understand. Technology जो है हमारे पास, वो टेक्नोलॉजी को जितना हम लोग धीरे धीरे डेवलप करते रहेंगे, उसके अंदर जितने सारे साइंटिफिक इंटरवेंशन आप डालते रहेंगे, आपके क्वालिटी उतना अच्छा होगा. जितना क्वालिटी अच्छा होगा, उसका अच्छा ग्रोथ भी होगा, और साथ साथ में अच्छा वैल्यू मींस कैश आपको कस्टमर के से मिलेगा. So I will request any of our participant, if you want to ask any question to Mr. Jillur Rahman, sir, you can directly ask, and sir will be with us for some more minutes, so he will be answering your questions. Please.
Another Devtunuda,
Sir.
this is brood development is a good process. You have to collect brood from different sources. Then we make family. Even we make female cohort. You know,
Yes.
within there is some summation of some family. We can make cohort. We cannot maintain family for individual phone. Then
True.
we can make cohort. Like 10 within with 10 family, we can make a cohort. And by rotation of male female, we can make base population generation 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. This is genetic work. For in every generation, there are 5% minimum increasement. So it will take 8 to 10 years to make it root development.
जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, आपके बीच में किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो आप डायरेक्ट मिस्टर जिल्लुर रहमान सर से पूछ सकते हैं, नहीं तो सर फिर हमारे साथ संडे में सर के पास समय होंगे, थोड़ा सा समय सर हमारे साथ फिर सर से क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। आपके बीच में अभी कोई क्वेश्चन है? पूछिए सर, पूछिए अर्शद जी।
सर मेरे को तो इंग्लिश में कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, तो मैं क्या पूछ सकूंगा?
सर आपको जो चीज समझ में नहीं आया उसको हम लोग सर जो आपको समझ में नहीं आया जो पार्ट, उसको हम लोग फिर संडे के दिन आपको फिर से दिखा के समझा के देंगे। आप टेंशन मत लीजिए, जो चीज आपको आज समझ में नहीं आया सर ने
वो बात तुम्हारी बात सही है, लेकिन मेरे को लैंग्वेज ही समझ में नहीं आया। इंग्लिश तो मुझको आती ही नहीं है।
नहीं सर, आपको दो चीज हम थोड़ा सा मोटा मोटा शब्द में समझा देते हैं, थोड़ा सा अच्छा से समझ लीजिए। मोटा मोटा शब्द में ऐसा हुआ, सर ने बोला मान के चलिए गुजरात में आप बैठे हैं, गुजरात में नर्मदा नदी से सिर्फ सिंगी मागुर पालने से आपका अच्छा क्वालिटी बच्चा पैदा नहीं होगा। आपको यूपी में आके गोदावरी हो गया आपके साउथ में, गोमती हो गया आपके यूपी में, और आपके बाकी जो रिवर है असम में ब्रह्मपुत्र हो गया, उनके वहां पर जो नेचुरल सोर्स से सिंगी मागुर आपको मिलता है, उसको आप आपके फार्म में लाइए, उसको अच्छा से ढंग से पालिए, उसका अच्छे गुड स्टॉक बनाइए। बहुत सारे एरिया के मान के चले गुजरात में तो बहुत सारे एरिया है जहां पर सिंगी मागुर मिलते हैं, उसको कलेक्ट करने के बाद अच्छा से खिला के उनके बीच में जो अच्छा वाला मेल हो, अच्छा वाला फीमेल हो, उसको आप देख के उसके बीच में जब आप ब्रीडिंग करवाएंगे, मार्स स्केल ऐसा नहीं है 2 पेयर ब्रीड किया 10,000 2,000 बच्चा आया उसका फीड लेके चल गए, ऐसे नहीं। मान के चलिए आप 15 से 20 नहीं तो 25 से 50 पेयर वाले सिंगी मागुर लिया, उसका ब्रीडिंग करवाया, 30 से 40,000 50,000 बच्चा के प्रोडक्शन किया, उस बच्चा को फिर आप बड़ा किया, उस बच्चे में जो अच्छा ग्रोथ लिया उसको अलग अलग करके तालाब में छोड़ के बड़ा करके उसमें आप ब्रूड स्टॉक ढंग से करते रहिए। इसको कहा जाता है सिलेक्टिव ब्रीडिंग। और एक सर ने जो चीज बोला वो चीज बोले हैं, हमेशा एक ही ब्रूड फिश को पकड़ के उसका ब्रीडिंग मत करते रहिए, हमेशा 30% 100 से 30 को 30 पीस को हटाइए, फिर नया 30% ऐड करते रहिए। ऐसे आप जब ऐड करते रहेंगे आपका ब्रूड स्टॉक की क्वालिटी अच्छा आएंगे सर। ठीक है सर?
ठीक है, समझ में आ गया मेरे को।
चलिए
ठीक।
I can convert Bengali or Hindi my full space. They will be that will be very much effective. Maybe
आप लोग में किसी को कोई भी लैंग्वेज के प्रॉब्लम के कारण मेरा बात समझ में ना आया हो, नहीं तो जिल्लुर सर के बात समझ में नहीं आया हो, आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। मैं जिल्लुर सर जैसा उतना नॉलेज नहीं रखता, थोड़ा बहुत जितना नॉलेज रखा हूं उसके ऊपर आपको हम बोल सकते हैं। सर ने जो चीज एड्रेस किए हैं प्लीज।
ओके, थैंक यू दादा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच। आपसे विनती है, we like to request you can join our Sunday session. Sunday we have full sessions, so Sunday
just knock my WhatsApp and tell me.
Yes, okay sir, thank you।
Okay, bye।
जितने सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं, हमारे 7 बजे से 8 बजे और एक सेशन है जिसमें डॉक्टर BK महापात्रा सर हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे, जो बंगाल में बहुत ही पॉपुलर हैं, और आप लोग बहुत सारे जन जहां बहुत सारे इंडिया के डिफरेंट स्टेट से जुड़े हैं उनके भी नाम सुने होंगे। डॉक्टर बीके महापात्रा सर सिंगी मागुर ब्रीडिंग के ऊपर अपना नॉलेज, अपना ज्ञान, जितने सारे सर के एक्सपर्टाइज फील्ड है उनका नॉलेज शेयर करेंगे। तो आप सबसे विनती है, आप लोग 6:45 में आप लोग सब जुड़ जाइएगा। लिंक आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में दिया देगा, जो अमित जी हैं वो आपको दे देंगे। तो लिंक साथ आप जुड़ जाएंगे। 7 बजे से साथ हमारे साथ डॉक्टर बीके महापात्रा सर जुड़ेंगे, जो और भी नया नया कोई चीज कैटफिश और सिंगी मागुर ब्रीडिंग के ऊपर हैं, उनके ऊपर आप क्वेश्चन उनसे पूछ सकते हैं, उनसे आप नॉलेज गेन कर सकते हैं। तो अभी के लिए आपसे हम विराम लेते हैं, फिर हम लोग 6:45 में 6:30 बजे के आसपास 6:45 बजे हम लोग फिर से आपसे जुड़ेंगे। किसी के कोई क्वेश्चन है? इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, थैंक यू, यू कैन आस्क मी, अदरवाइज वी विल हैंड अप द सेशन नाउ। अगेन वी विल जॉइन द सेशन बाय 6:45।